What is wonder? It's when we are moved by something that surprises or inspires us. For instance, a gush of water that springs from a rock like a gift. This is the type of wonder that guides us, and what we do at Nobili, and have been doing for 3 generations, is to reproduce it in 1,000 different shapes, in millions of homes all over the world. To succeed in this endeavour, we have travelled down 4 paths. First, manufacturing in Italy. The production of a tap is composed of 11 different stages, and Nobili is the only company in Europe to have combined 11 factories in one to create products of the highest made-in-Italy excellence. 100% Nobili, in a clean and welcoming environment, just like a beautiful home. Second, caring for design, an extreme attention to detail, which guarantees an unparalleled experience for anyone who chooses Nobili, both from an aesthetical and functional point of view. Third, aiming for reliability. The result? The only tap cartridge with a lifetime guarantee. The fourth, looking beyond. Nobili invests to create ideas and technologies for the future, such as a more widespread use of renewable energies and complete recycling and reuse of the main raw materials, in a constant attempt to minimize environmental impact. Nobili's WID cartridges with dry-running mechanics, including the WID 2020, which has revolutionized the structure of traditional mixers and is designed to avoid any involuntary activation of the boiler. The more than 100 patents obtained by Nobili, which have generated tangible benefits for people, for the industry, for the planet, and continue to do so. Choices, which have always been aimed at one specific goal, keeping the amazement for small and great wonders alive in all of us. Wonders we can enjoy every day and that we continue to create every day. Nobili, daily wonders.